Hi guys, today I am reviewing this product. It is the Universal Kayak Carrier. You can find it on Amazon and I have it linked down below. So here is what the product actually is. It is these foam wedges that your kayak goes on top of on any old car. It's not that expensive. I think it was under 50 bucks. So, my basic review is this. It is not that great. It's probably the best solution you have, though, if you have a car that doesn't have a rack or anything. So, it's probably your only option. But to make it work much better, what I would do is get 4 ratchet straps. They usually come in pairs or in 4s already. So get 4 ratchet straps. You don't need large ones, you just need these little ones. And also some sort of blanket, because this can scratch up the hood of your car. In the directions it actually, let me show you this. It does not say to put this ratchet strap on here, but they do include a little notch for you to put this ratchet strap on. So go ahead and put this one on first. Well, first put down your blanket, then put these foam things, then put this ratchet strap, then your kayak, then I would recommend putting the strings which come with the foams, and then you put your second set of ratchet straps. These ratchet straps, these straps that come with it are garbage. Do not use them. They are not safe. Look how much it's flimsying. It is not safe. I'm not going to drive down the road with this situation. It is not safe. I did drive down the road for a little while. It was very short, and it was just getting looser and looser by the second. So make sure you get real ratchet straps if you're going to go this method. Oh, the main problem I have with this is that you can only fit one. Like, who wants to go kayaking alone? I guess some people, their friends actually have their own kayaks. None of my friends have kayaks. I got to bring both. So I'll probably, if I'm going with 2 people, just take my Jeep over there. But if I'm taking just me, I have a blow-up kayak that I'm going to attempt to use. I've never used a blow-up kayak. So if you want to see a review of the blow-up kayak, give me a thumbs up so that I know that you enjoy these videos, the review videos specifically. And thank you for watching. Bye.